Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering down the phone and removing the SIM tray. This prevents shorting. Once done, loosen the two pentalobe screws at the lightning port and apply a suction cup near the bottom edge to lift the display slightly. You pry carefully with a spudger along the lower seam to break the adhesive. This opens access to the battery without stressing cables. Make sure to keep screws separated by location so reassembly is exact. With the display open, you remove the metal bracket covering the connectors so you can disconnect the battery first. This prevents accidental power flow. Next, heat the back panel slightly and peel the adhesive strips one at a time, pulling parallel to the battery to avoid tearing. Once out, position the new battery, press the adhesive into place, and reconnect the battery connector before the display connectors. This order reduces risk. Reinstall the bracket and confirm all flexes sit flat and secure. You close the phone by lowering the display into place and tightening the two pentalobe screws at the base. Then power on and verify the battery shows and charges. Once powered, charge to full and run a couple of charge-discharge cycles so the system recalibrates battery health reporting. If the phone fails to boot or shows no battery, make sure the battery connector and display cables are fully seated and that no screws are in the wrong holes. Often a misplaced screw or loose connector is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.